Look like the top of your lip a drop off, but it, instead of falling down, it'll fall up.
Hi guys, so I'm coming to you. You see how I'm excited? Because I came up with a plan. I got an idea for another reaction video / prank on Babe. This time it's tricking him that I got my lips done. Like, I'm gonna tell him that I got, because I recently got a makeup package, and I'm gonna tell him that it had some lip filler things in there, and that I tried it out today because I just wanted to see what it looks like and if he likes it. And and I'm gonna try and tell him that it's gonna last a few months. He won't believe if I say permanently, because he know me mad. So I'm excited. I have the lash glue here. I hope the lash glue will work, because based on what I see, people use like crazy glue. Me? No, girl, I have sensitive skin. He's inside getting all this stuff together, and I thought it was a perfect opportunity to come in here and do it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the mask. Like, I'm gonna have on the mask, and then when him come out, I'm gonna kind of take it off. Alright, so don't forget tacky. It's not working. So here's what I gotta do. I go for the crazy glue. Come after do that prank up on Babe. Right? I have to hurry up and do this shit. God, please don't let me catch that reaction. God, please don't let my lip drop off. God, please. Please don't make me catch the reaction to this. Alright guys, I'm about to do this. Oh, man, I forgot. Emergency room. Hi guys. Oh, let me take off this. Take off this. Say hi to me.
No. Say hi.
He knows it. Is a new lip gloss or embarrassing?
No, turn around to me. What do you lip?
What? You don't like it?
Like
it's a new lip balm. So why you throw me so?
Is that right?
What do you mean?
Nah, laugh.
What do you mean?
The lip cut, babes.
You sure?
Look
it's not cut.
Look funny good. Oh what?
If I make it plump.
Make it do what?
Plump. You like it?
Taya, you do like your lip a tear off.
It's gonna stay for about 2-3 months. It look nice though. It look like when I take the picture of them and it always comes out.
Taya, it look like a crazy glue stuck on the top of your mouth and your lip. Why you laugh? What do you
Babe, it don't look nice. You don't like when that comes out? I couldn't have answered.
So why?
Baby, you don't like
So
it.
why it's stuck?
What you mean it's stuck?
Yeah, look.
Me, I can tell Abby, you know.
Looking at the mirror, blingers.
What? I'm looking. It looks good.
Yeah, your lip color look good, but why the top of your lip has a deform?
What do you mean in the farm?
Look on it. Looking at the mirror.
I just did. There's nothing wrong
Looking
with
at the
it.
camera. Look close up at the camera. You don't see it. It look like the top of your lip a drop off, but it, instead of falling down, it a fall up. Why? Yeah, laugh. Where you laugh at? Nah, laugh.
What you mean my lip is falling up, babe?
Turn on, turn on.
You know, you don't think it look nice though, like...
Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Why?
Go to the car. Go, go. Go. Just
Man, I laugh like when I get Botox because it's just a really good product. I really like
Which
it.
product? What do you mean product? No, lip gloss, you put on lipstick.
Yeah,
Go,
but
go, go.
it's the plum
Go,
milk.
go. Go, sir. Up, pass. You see there, the tongue stuck. Your tongue can't go out the south too like my one. Show mirror. Show mirror your lip. Show mirror and see how she react to the lip.
But I like it though. I like it. You wanna try some?
Somehow.
Let me show you it.
No. Hold on. Let me see the buckle.
Why?
Let me see the buckle. Cause it must have crazy glue in it.
Why you keep saying crazy glue? Why you keep saying crazy glue?
Let me come to you. Because you see by the top of your lip?
What is wrong with it, babe? It's plump it.
Plump it, but up here so stuck. Look at her. You know, see her so stuck.
Why you keep saying this? Why you keep... I can't.
What?
I can't hold it.
No what no more. Nah laugh. I'm not see
Babe.
nobody in the web. Tin oxide, what is that? A crazy glue you put on your lip? Because a crazy glue you put out there? Tara,
Yeah. It's a reaction video to see how you would react if I got lip
Tara,
fillers.
where you take it off? You ever did it now?
No, I'm just telling someone open I get a reaction.
So what will come off of your skin? Go ahead.
It can't fall down. It can't fall down for sure.
So where we go? You can't come out of the
Mask. Haha. That's why I knew I could do this today.
Tara.
Look how we are laugh.
Taya. No. Taya.
Yeah.
You look like one truck run over your mouth.
Stop, it's not that bad. It turned out good.
Go here. But now, see it now move it. Now move, bling as it now move.
It's gonna take time, come down. It's gonna take time, come down. Don't dry it now.
Let me see.
Don't dry it. Move, man. Anyways, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for.
I got you. Yo, I'm roll. I can't even tell. I'm on a roll, bro.
So hold on there.
Yes, I put crazy glue on my lip just so I could get a reaction from you. Yes, I did.
Pingas, where you do that for you? Where your lip that come off your lip? What that come off your lip?
It maybe take a few days.
Eh?
Maybe take a few days.
What's up?
Are the good glue when me use seal the pieces them in the activity work.
Taya, what that come off your skin?
I don't know. I haven't figured that part out yet.
Let me see.
I tried using the lash. Don't dry it down in there. I tried using the lash glue, but it would not stay.
Go through.
Let's go. Guys, I knew I could do this today because I can wear a mask and nobody have to know what I did. Well, I got you good. You're even speechless, bro. You're speechless.
Taya, what wrong with your mouth? You have to skin and you have to go do plastic surgery because your lip have a tear off.
It's not got.
You have a need to take a piece of skin off of your body and put on your lip.
Shut up!
Waking up now, wondering